Discipline is fundamental virtue in everyone's life, especially for students. It forms the backbone of a structured and fulfilling life, guiding our actions and decisions. It is practice of self-control and conscious effort towards achieving success. In students' life, discipline is crucial for academic success and personal growth. Discipline is an act of rules and regulation which we follow from our children till the end of our life. Discipline is very important in life. Discipline is key to success. Discipline